Mayor, many people took notice, no, when you ordered the closure of those Chinese stores selling product, with that marking, no, na Manila, province of China. So, relatedly, there is this project in that's an LGU and a national issue as well, no. There is this airport project in Sangli that the Cavite governor approved of. And it became controversial because the Chinese company involved was blacklisted by the US for its involvement in the island construction of China in the South China Sea. So I won't ask your stand on that airport project, no, because there's another LGU leader involved. But I will ask you.
Thank you, Jim. You saved my day.
Put you on the spot, yeah. But I will ask you if any of those Chinese companies blacklisted by the US for their involvement in constructing those artificial islands in the South China Sea, if any of those Chinese companies, will you allow any of those Chinese companies, no, hypothetically, to get involved in any infrastructure projects in Manila?
Okay. Kung ang magkokontrata, lokal na pamahalaan, kami. No?
Yes.
Of course, I will deal with a company with good standing, immaterial of their nationality. No? I will not deal with those companies with bad backgrounds or merong mga may mga responsibilidad na hindi ginawa, no? Why would you expose your local government unit to that particular company? Theoretically speaking, no? So I will do my due diligence. Kung ako ang makikipagkontrata as a city government, kasi ang trabaho ko, Jim, is to protect the interest, the general welfare of the people of Manila. Katulad yung nabanggit mo kanina, 'di ba, yung sa produkto, 'di ba? Kasi interest ng Maynila 'yon eh. Bari mo tawagin ba naman kami province of China? O hindi. Kaya kahit sa mukhang nasyonal, hindi, it's a local issue. We will not allow it. No, more so with if there will be findings to this corporation na medyo unscrupulous and you're gonna deal with it, alam mo may kasabihan eh, for evil to succeed is for good men to do nothing. Hindi naman natin basta papayagan yun. But immaterial of their nationality. Whether they are Americans, Chinese, Europeans, kapag sila may mga bad records, no? Hindi naman natin pwedeng kontratahin yun. Kailangan doon na tayo sa may ligtas, dahil pag ligtas, kapakinabangan ng taong bayan yun. Dahil ang salaping ibabayad natin sa mga kontratistang yan, na iuwi sa kanilang bansa, yung income na yan, pera ng taong bayan yun eh. Due diligence must be observed, sort of saying.
Yung issue ata, there are very specific Chinese companies that were blacklisted by the US, no? Not for any like crime in the Philippines, but for their involvement in the construction of those artificial islands in the disputed South China Sea. Will you allow any of those specific companies? No, now I don't think it's not clear whether they have, bad records in the Philippines, but is their involvement in the South China Sea island construction. Would you deal with them? Would you allow them to get involved in any infra project in Manila?
Okay. If they did not violate any provisions of our law, no, doing business in the country, why not? Di ba? Philippine law must prevail always. We are a sovereign country. But sabi nga, yung due diligence, pagsisiyasat, lalo na kung ang pag-uusapan natin, halimbawa lang, Jim, no? Billions of dollars. Diba? Tapos pag masakit pa niyan, Jim, pag na-sovereign guarantee pa yan, for example, di ba? O talagang tiyak na babayaran. So, kailangan maobserbahan natin yon. At saka para hindi tayo na lalagay sa alanganin. Di ba? Yun ang akin. Philippine law must prevail. Basta wala silang ginawang kasalanan sa Pilipinas. Wala silang kasalanan sa mata ng batas natin. At sila ay maaaring makapaghanap buhay. Ngayon, kung halimbawa may kasalanan sila sa mundo, o sa ibang bahagi ng mundo, meron silang tawag ito, kasaysayang masama. Halimbawa, let's just say, may ginawa silang kumpanya sa Africa, masama ang ginawa nila doon, bad record sila, o sa Amerika, may ginawa silang bad record, o sa Latin America, or anywhere in the world. This must be take into consideration as a matter of practicing due diligence. Di ba? Marami namang kumpanyang pwedeng gumawa. Sort of saying.
Thank you, Mayor.
Okay. All right. I think that wraps up our forum today. A lot of
Pero
questions.
Jim, I will assure you, I will not allow it, yung pagtitinda ng product na merong yung tawag yan? Ano daw? Province of China. Kung tugkulo nyo Manila ito, Philippines.
Mayor,
magkaiba yun.
were you able to figure out kung sino yung nag-produce nun?
Ayun, nagpapaliwanag sila doon sa BID. Pinade-deport ko sila. They are
Okay.
not welcome in Manila. Because 2 out of 5 are foreign national. They should go back to their respective country. I don't like him here. With all honesty, I really got offended about it. And I think the people of Manila is offended also, feel the same way. No, this should not be. Ito yung bagay na hindi pwedeng palulusutin talaga. Kasi uunti-untiin lang tayo ng mga yan. And before we know it, baka mamaya nandiyan na sa Pasig River. May sarili na silang island dyan. Magulat tayo pare-pareho. Yun ang ayoko mangyari, huli na lahat. Basta dito, welcome lahat Don't get me wrong. All nationals, all over the world, you are welcome to Manila. No harm will come to you. We are certain about our rules, our laws. We will protect you. But at the same manner, love begets love. No? So, pagka kayo nagdinegosyo dito, you respect our own laws, traditions, and culture. You live among us. You should live within you should follow the same way what we do when we go to your country. So, yun ang lagi kong concept. I think that is only fair to anybody. Di ba? Fair naman yan kahit kaninong nationality. Sa lahat ng viewers ni Dean Arman Nocum, subscribe kayo rito sa Vlogcaster Dean Arman. At mag-iingat po kayo mga kababayan. Always keep safe and practice physical distancing. May awa ang Diyos, makararaos din po tayo sa pandemyang ito.